How to create and set up a Payoneer account. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create and set up a Payoneer account step by step. Whether you're a freelancer, business owner, or just need an international payment solution, Payoneer makes it easy to send and receive money globally, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to www.payoneer.com. And here you can find an option that says register. Simply tap on it. Now choose the type of account you need. Freelancer if you work online and need to receive international payments. Online seller if you sell products on marketplaces like Amazon or eBay. Affiliate marketer if you earn commissions from affiliate programs. Business owner if you run a company and need to manage global payments. Once you select the right option, click register to continue. Now select the most suitable option for you and tap on register. Now simply you'll be prompted to select a type of business, tap on next and enter all the information needed and click on enter code. Once you've done that, simply click on next. Simply type in your OTP code and click on next. After you filled in all the information, tap on submit and that's it. That's how you can simply create and set up your Payoneer account.